My video will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called GameCrypt. GameCrypt is the ransomware that actually targets many Windows computers all over the world. This GameCrypt ransomware is able to damage the files essentially. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open the files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this GameCrypt ransomware may be very easily injected into the system, and then very soon users realize that they can no longer access the files. Here is the ransom note, by the way. The ransom note indicates that all your files have been encrypted. This is true. The ransomware then tells the victims to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money. Don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner. So go to the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application, and start carefully researching this system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. You need to click on the Start Scan button, and then the software will first of all update its anti-malware database. So do not skip this very important step. This is essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware. After the antivirus database has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. With premium license, your data will always be protected with this anti-ransomware feature. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove the ransomware and to protect your data ahead of time. So consider upgrading to premium license to make sure that your data is always protected from all further ransomware or malware attacks. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover the data.